everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to add a song on your Spotify playlist. So first of all, open up this Spotify app, and once that's open up, we are going to once that open up, you just search for the song you want to add. So I want to add Espresso to my playlist. So I just see the song and I pause that, and you will see a plus in a circle. Just click on that. That adds to your liked song. Now if you want to change it from adding to your liked song to a playlist, just press on new playlist. That's if you haven't gotten a playlist before. They can write anything as your playlist. I'm going to write my jam and press create. Now the song will be added to my playlist. Now to find, and that's it, the song will be added to my playlist. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.